Hey there people, welcome to a vloggy video. So today, this is a weekend, Saturday, Sunday weekend thing. And right now, this is the roommate tiny house as you can see. So if we walk around you can see this is a roommate tiny house. So that's what you've been seeing off and on with the roommate, in and out. So uh, that's what my neighbor up to. Yeah, my parents, my dad, being my dad is an electrician, um, put this, this way, up to the fence, up to the electrical panel. So that's what my parents up to, and I've been helping the roommate do some project. So like these fence board right here, helping all chop those up, while my parents and my neighbor was going get parts for the electrical stuff. So this is not the neighbor, or this is not my next door neighbor place. This is the roommate place. That's, I don't know, kind of complicated to say, but why now? I did want to show you this one quick moment of this real quick, and when Monday roll around, when I come around to my next door neighbor, I will film the progress shot of the project we've been doing. So we put the siding up, and we've been painting. So that's what we've been up to with my next door neighbor house project. But anyway, I'm gonna pause, and the next clip you should see me showing the progress, or showing you what we've been up to by painting. So I'm gonna be back. Oh, hi there people, we are back. Neighbor's back from doing the roommate shed. So that's what we did. And I was talking about how when I was at the roommate shed, I was talking about how I was going to show you the progress that we've done. So the progress I'm going to first show you. Right now the neighbor just going to sit down and relax. That's what the neighbors going to do half the time. As you can see, the neighbor removed some the cheesy trim board. But this is what we done. Oop, I gotta cut that out. This is what we done. This is what I done with the neighbor right here. Did that with the neighbor. Another thing too, why the neighbor did some project over the weekend too. He does some project. One of the project is putting these trim on too. So he's getting to that, as you can see. So yeah, we paint this, and well, we did the front and the corner, and then the neighbor did the back too, so all the back. Did that. Then I'm gonna repeat something just in case, because the last one I filmed, that I film is when I was trying to talk in thunderstorm, but while I was talking through the thunderstorm, kinda talk a little too much about computer stuff a little bit, or VR a little too much. So I'm not sure if I talked about it in the past, but this is down, as you can see. been taken apart. Um, Obviously, the neighbor singing, turning this property into a place people can rental, make it into rental housing. So that's what my neighbor was thinking about. Got the chain off too, as you can see. Got the chain support off. As you can see, it's half empty. It's kinda half empty. So right now there's a little bit of water at the bottom, as you can see. So my neighbor may do something different with this spot. So and that's what my neighbor may do. So there's another neighbor person that is interest of that swimming pool, but I don't think the person haven't came by yet too. So that's another thing. That would be the neighbor. Yeah, okay. Alright then. As you can see, those are the old trim board that we took off. Like I said, neighbor did the back of it, as you can see. Or did back. Let's see here. Oh yeah, my neighbor is almost done at this other side of the corner. So pretty much I can't think right off the bat of what other project we're gonna do today, because obviously neighbor is kinda tired from doing all these painting and doing all these other stuff. All that. So so pretty much think that the progress that you have seen of us doing, because I can't think of any other project. So that's what we did. So what I'm gonna do is stop recording, and not sure I'm not sure if there's something interesting or not, or I'm not sure if the video is long enough or not. So a lot of time I think I didn't talk too much, but when I look back, next zone the video is like over 20 minutes little. So I can't think of much, but like I said, I'm a little bit off mood too. I don't know how I can talk about this, but it's involving my parents that I don't agree. So, yeah, I don't agree with one thing my parents did. So, can't talk about, because I don't know how I can talk about without trashing my parents. So kinda hard to talk. Look like my neighbor have somebody looking at his his bathtub. There's two bathtubs. One bathtub right there, and there's another bathtub over there. So in the other room. So, but anyway, like I said, I know what I'm gonna talk about. So all I'm gonna do is stop recording, and I'm gonna keep on keep on food that I'm talking about. So, yeah, I'm gonna be back. So, I hope you enjoyed the little time lapse I did of the swimming pool coming down. So, yeah, obviously my neighbor do have a plan of making this spot pretty nice, so it's not gonna be buried forever, obviously. So that's what we did yesterday. Now my neighbor is now he's what the heck's that walk from? Okay. Right now my neighbor is pushing the door that way so he can paint a little bit deeper. So he's washing the door off, so when he paint, it's pretty easy to paint while making sure the door is out the at least out the paint. So yeah, pretty much that's what he's getting started on right now as we speak. So Yeah, walking over there. Oh, now it's watering plants. Watering plants. Yeah. He wash the doors so he can paint at least. It's okay to have a little bit of dirt, but not too much dirt. So, even went around the end. So if we go around, as you can see, it's almost there to the end. Pretty much. So, yeah. So pretty much that's pretty it. Just enjoying the Pizza Hot Pockets. Enjoying those. You like the extra flavor because you can cook them in the pan. I found a way to cook them. Because normally when you read the instruction for the Hot Pocket, normally they have instruction of microwaving them or oven them. But I found a way to cook them in the pan.
Pretty good.
Pretty
good.
It does bring out that nice texture taste too. It doesn't feel like sogginess. It does taste like it's been in the oven before, so. Another thing too, it's a roommate made these palm tree pop these leaf out too. I never seen these when I first met my neighbor, or when I first met the neighbor, these palm tree never grew out a leaf or never popped the leaf out. But when the roommate did her magic touch, that's when that palm tree is blooming with leaf now.
Looks a lot healthier too. Way healthier.
They are. They're blooming now. But obviously I never seen those leaves before popped out. So pretty much that's pretty it. Oh, at this point, but I will film more if we do something interesting enough. So at this point, that's what my neighbor or the next door neighbor did. Or the major project is pretty much almost finished. So that's obviously the neighbor got he's gonna be finishing up that front porch. I gave the neighbor a little idea of have a little roof on top of the porch so it doesn't when it rains, it doesn't rain on the front door edge. Doesn't rot out the wood. And that's if that will keep it dry in a calm rain. Then if it's a windy rain, I would imagine the rain will go, or if the wind is involved of it too. Fence, that's, we got that down. Actually, that's one loose fence bone. Have you noticed there's one loose fence bone we haven't got to yet?
Yeah, you forgot to put the screw in. You did. I didn't do it.
Oh, I can, only bad thing is,
Put a nail in it.
Put a nail in it. It doesn't want to put one nail. Normally I bring the battery powered drill, but actually I don't feel like it because something, my parents, I decided not to bring them today. That's all I want. They want to bring them today. So, yeah, that's probably it. So, I'm gonna stop recording now. And see how long the clip is, see if we're over that 20-minute mark. Or if I'm saying it loud enough.
Okay, let's see what I can. Hey, tell you what, can you bring that ladder over here, Michael? Yeah, that ladder.
The one, the green one?
Yeah, the other ladder. No, that's not gonna do it.
Oh.
That's not gonna do it. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, that's a little more comforting.
That. It's a little lower, but
Yeah, it's comfortable at least. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall over if I look away. Oh gosh, that thing. Okay, at least it stayed. Spilling paint tray make me and the neighbor concerned. So, as you can see, that's my neighbor. It's almost done. So he was kind of walking around and thought about walking on it after eating the Hot Pocket pizza. So
thinking about it isn't gonna get the job done either.
you're like, oh, yeah, I'm almost done. I might as well get going on it. Yeah, see, these are the cheesy trim they put up there, but the issue is if you removed it, there's a big wide gap.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Board back up there if we took it off.
And the worst thing is, we run out of our sheets, so we can't make a strip, and the worst thing is, the table saw decided to give out on the neighbor, unfortunately. Unfortunately, at the time when my dad got it, it got used the heck out of it, and the previous people have shove a lot of material through that table saw, so wasn't in a good shape when my dad got it, unfortunately. So yeah, there's don't know. I don't know. Yeah, if you're gonna be cutting a lot of material, there's nothing wrong getting a little more big or table saw. That depends if you use it often or not. So that's another thing too. So anyway, that's the shenanigan me and the neighbor are up to. It's not shenanigan. It's the normal average stuff that getting the house to look nice, and average would be painting. So anyway, I'm gonna stop recording, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. And like I said, I don't know if the vlog is gonna be ending or not, because every time I think, it doesn't seem like it's too long, next time I look at it, it's pretty long. So you may see me in the next clip or not. So anyway, alright though, people, I have to end the video. We're a little bit over the 20-minute mark, but that's kind of the raw estimate. But it should, after I trim down, it should be under 20 minutes once I give the video a little trim here and there. And once I cut stuff in and out, stuff like that. So, but anyway, if you're highly interested of this video content or this vlog style video, feel free to subscribe or And when you subscribe, if you want to get notified of project that I posted, so even live stream in the future, if you want to be notified of that, let's hit the bell notification. It's not that complicated. It's the bell icon. So most of you should know what the bell icon look like. All you have to do is click on the bell icon. So that's all you have to do if you want to get notified. And feel free to follow the Google Plus page. I've been trying to post stuff on that a little more. It's kind of hard to do for me, but I try to. It's kind of hard, so because obviously it's not like I'm a big post fan like Facebook, any of that stuff. So it's hard. It's hard for me to get in that habit of posting stuff on my Google Plus page. So feel free to post, and every once in a while, hopefully in the future down the line, I will post more comment and post more photo on my Google Plus page in the future. So hopefully you keep eye on that. And feel free to give the video a like or dislike. Doesn't mean a lot if you give it a like or dislike. Doesn't matter which way you like to do it. Doesn't matter. So, and check out the video note below the video. But click on show me more. So once you click show me more, once we go to the top of the list, there's a channel email address that you can contact me if you don't have a Google account with you. But I would imagine a lot of you would have Google account, so you should able to contact me through Google Plus page or YouTube private inbox or one of those. But for people who don't have a Google account, they can send me email if they want to. Then after that, there's Amazon wish list that you can use it to help me out with camera gears or do some fun project in the future if you want to help out, or you can use it as a recommendation list. It doesn't matter at this point, you know. I'm not gonna beg you. It's up to you. If you feel like you want to support, that's totally up to you. It does mean a lot if somebody do want to support the channel if they want to with camera gears and camera accessory, or project I have on my Amazon wish list. And there's some tech tip forums or community forums I'm part of, so if you are part of one of those community forums, you're welcome to say hi. You can go to my profile or go to my username, and you can get my my username, and you can chat with me. Get bored. I thought I was getting bored for a minute. That's why I'm kinda. Okay, now it's coming out. Okay, excuse that. Yeah, anytime I do that, that's usually mean I'm getting bored. Or, I don't know how I can say it in a polite way for you people. And feel free to comment if you have anything nice to say, or encouraging, or if you want to ask a question, let's pop in the comments. And I may answer your question, maybe, I don't know, depending. It's never hard to shoot at me, see if I know or not. Another good question people can ask me is how my experience going with the Lenovo, or stuff or product I've used, or product that I've unboxed, and you can ask me how those stuff working out for me. So yeah, you can do that. And if you put a nice clean comment, I will put them in the video. A lot of time unboxing, land or vlog, I will give you a shout out, and hopefully in the future, if there's a question you have that I can able answer for you best to my ability, I will put on the video. So, but anyways, I will catch you next time in the next vlog. Pretty sure they stored up a new clip, alright? Alright.